Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. Aquarius. So let's start with these cards here. So these cards are for your relationship and career situation, guys. So let's start with these cards first. We have the Hanged Man, 10 of Cups, and 7 of Cups. So Aquarius, in your situation today, guys, maybe you have faced lot of trials or lot of obstacles in your situation, and you have sacrificed a lot, made lot of changes in yourself, and you have tried a lot to adapt. Maybe today, for some of you, you are thinking what needs to be done. Maybe some confusions are there, or you have some doubts about your situation. You don't have clarity, so you're thinking about something. Maybe you are planning something, but what is happening is something different. So some kind of stress or whatever you expect is not happening, so you have some doubts to take the next step. So some confusion, it may be in your relationship, guys, or in your career situation. And I also see that your intuition is very sharp, and it is telling you certain things. Maybe if you have your intuition guiding you, you need to listen to it, Aquarius, because it will be a perfect guidance. So universe speaks to us through our heart. Maybe sometimes when we have some urges, some unconscious urges, or something telling us when we are making some important decisions to take up some choice, you need to listen to it, guys. And I also see that Aquarius, in your situation today, you are what to say, having lot of dreams and lot of aspirations. You are living in your dream world. You are wishing things to go in a particular way, guys. And maybe for some of you, you need to, if you want those dreams to come in reality, you need to take up actions or be responsible and act if you want to succeed, guys. Aquarius. And I also see that you are happy about a few things. Maybe you have happiness, contentment, and joy in certain things. Maybe a few projects or financial deeds, whatever you are working on, that may go in a successful way, or you are quite happy with your personal life, with this relationship. Things are going smoothly with this person, so you have that contentment. But in your career situation, you have some important choices, and you are confused. You don't know which way to go, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship first. So we have Sun in reverse. So though this card is in reverse, guys, it means something very positive. So in your relationship, you are moving towards marriage or engagement. Some positive progress is there in your situation today, guys, Aquarius. And what is the card for your career situation? We have King of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your situation, maybe you are someone who follows rules and ideals very strictly, and maybe there are people trying to tell you something, suggesting you, but you have that firm conviction that you will be able to make the right decisions or the right choices. So you are not willing to listen, guys, or people around you, they are not willing to listen to you. And that may be the reason for some troubles in your situation. If they listen to your advice, things are going to go in a very positive way for you all, guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Aquarius. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Or you can think about these crystals and meditate. Maybe you may have some questions or doubts. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card. This is a crystal for y'all, and the card is Blood Angel. So these are Rumi cards, guys. These cards are based on poet Rumi's poetry. So this card just means that this oracle card, it comes with a special message, guys. So today you are given the gift of more life. So to experience this growth or that energy in your life, you need to understand that to have that essence, to live that essence, you are maybe you need to face some unavoidable situations, guys, experiences. So there may be lot of painful experience you may go through in life, because life is all about balance. When you are opening yourself to receive more, you need to understand that you need to empty whatever you have in you, guys. Maybe your past, whatever hurt you feel or you would have felt, you should empty all that. And it is an exchange that is happening in your situation, guys, compensating for what is coming to you. So maybe there will be a great loss you suffer, emotional or psychological changes you may see, and you are going to release all that, whatever you have, to receive whatever is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, that darkness of grief or maybe some hurtful feelings that you have, all that is going to clear up in the coming days, guys, or maybe very soon. So you need to be ready to endure the sadness or stress or grief in order to enjoy the beautiful things that are coming towards you, guys. And this card also comes with a special blessing of well-being and vitality in your life, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is the second crystal and this is the second card. So the card is Rapunzel, Liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you are trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to block people from your life. You don't want anyone near you. You are trying to be alone. shunning people, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, and you are trying to protect yourself from them, and you have become what to say, someone who is not easily to be accessed. So you have some past hurting you, maybe some heavy thoughts, some negative emotions. Maybe it is time you liberate yourself from this isolation, guys. And maybe you're escaping from facing your world, maybe the outside situation, your friends or family, or this person. Someone is coming interested in you. You are not ready to face them. You are escaping from every situation because of some negative thoughts or some heaviness in your heart. Maybe it is time for you to give up these negative thoughts or all the attachments that you have. And maybe the wait is over, guys. Maybe you spent too much time alone. That time is over now, and you need to see life with a different perspective, and you need to free yourself from your heavy thoughts. You are the one who can free yourself from this situation, guys. No one can help you other than you yourself. So you have to come out of this isolation, some kind of separation you are experiencing today. You are the reason for that, but because you are not ready to face the outside world. So you need to have that courage in your heart and come out of your situation and release yourself from your past. Maybe your past has hurt you a lot. You need to release yourself of all those negative emotions that you have within you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.